Hello, Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and you won't miss out on anything. And you can also join me over on my Facebook page, Dawn's Inspirations. Again, my crafty corner of Facebook. Now, the other day I shared with you the 8x8 memory books from Pink Frog that I had designed for them. But on the show, I showed you the new alternative page fold you could do that gives you two different size photo mats to go in there. So you've got two pockets. So let me share with you how to do this. I'm going to do two videos, one in inches and one in centimetres. So let's start off with the centimetres version. So you've got the cardstock that you've got in your pack, which is 20 centimetres by 40 centimetres, and you're going to score this at 7 centimetres and 20 centimetres. No cutting. That's the beauty of these memory books. No cutting is required. You're going to burnish both of your score lines, and then we are going to add red line tape, and I like to use the 6mm red line tape. I use the Pink Frog one. So we've got that here, and you're going to put two strips of your red line tape on here. If I just get this off here. It's all sticky in this lovely hot weather we're having, but I'm not complaining because it's so nice to see the sunshine finally. So as you've got it open with your 7 centimetre and 20 centimetre, you're going to attach your red line tape on the top there. I'm trying to do this as clearly as possible in the white so you can actually see what I'm doing. And you know, I always say when I'm attached red line tape, just burnish that so that's all stuck down ready. So that is going to create that pocket, and then you're also going to attach red line tape just on the back side here. So you're going to put one on there and one on there, and this is going to give you a double pocket that lays flat for two large photo mats. So one on there and one on there. Now I normally like to add any pattern paper I wish to add first. So if you're doing the centimetres version, for this side you're going to put a mat of paper that is 7 centimetres by 19 centimetres, and on this side you're going to do the same, 7 centimetres by 19 centimetres, and that means it just tucks underneath. It's not going all the way in, just tucks underneath. The mat you're going to need for the middle is 6 centimetres by 19 centimetres. Once you've attached your mats, you will then remove your red line tape, and I always like to burnish each one first just to get the glue pushed into the fibres of the paper. So that's your large pocket, and then you will remove your second one there and push that down, and that gives you your smaller mats. That is your two pockets. Okay, when you attach this to your book, you're going to attach the spine on the short pocket side, okay, just for ease. So now let me bring in the finished book to share with you. So you will see you've got your large photo mat, and your large photo mat will be 18 centimetres by 17 centimetres. So that goes in the large pocket, and your smaller mat will be 17 centimetres by 11 centimetres, and that goes in the smaller pocket. And you probably would have room, if you really wanted to cram it full, to put 2 on each side, but you can get photos on each side of those. So this is just showing it all decorated and done. So you can see that the pattern paper just slightly goes underneath there. I've used decorative corner punches. You know, go to town, use what you've got in your crafty stash, but when the photo mats go in, you've got that lovely square look going on. Okay, so that is how to do your alternative page for your size 8 memory books in Centimetres. I'm Dawn McPhee, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.